viewers. This is Lily K Beauty and Healthy Lifestyle. We are here to share quickly with you this healthy recipe for kids and adults. Anybody can take it. We're about to share a cough um, syrup remedy. It's a home remedy. How you can make cough syrup, you know, in your kitchen, in your house, and you will see a lot of testimonies that will come out from it. Do stay tuned. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment below. Thank you very much. Without wasting time, let's take the recipe. This is turmeric. That's what you'll be needing. My spoon. This is my honey. Yes, from my local market. My lemon. I extracted it. You know, you extract lemon, what it looks like. Look at it. I have extracted the water. So this is lemon zest oil. I extracted it in my kitchen with coconut oil. You can do it. Okay, let's start. Yes, let's take our turmeric. Just for sample, you know what to do. It's not too much. But if you want to produce many, because your kids are many, or you want to do it long, you can put much of this. Okay, that's turmeric. Let's go to lemon zest oil. That's this one. So that's it. Lemon zest oil. That's it. That's the oil there. So let's go to honey. Let's go to honey. That's our honey. So that's the honey. Sorry for that. So you put it. Yes, that's our honey. 1 teaspoon. We've put it here. Our honey. 1 teaspoon. Turmeric, half spoon. Lemon zest oil, half spoon. These are lemon. 1 teaspoon too. So that's the lemon. 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna be mixing everything together. That's the cough syrup. Make sure you mix everything properly. So everything is mixed properly in this particular plate. That's the syrup, the home remedy cough syrup. Begin to give to your children or the adults who is gonna use it. Please use within 1 week. You will notice there's a difference with you. Thank you very much. Do subscribe and stay tuned on this channel. Thank you very much. Bye.